White Hat was originally founded with the idea of restoration in mind. We do roof restoration. That's all we focus on, all we do.
Our core purpose is to restore, and we say we do that through lives, roofs, and the world.
Restoration is, instead of taking something that's broken or taking something that isn't quite working as well as it used to and just throwing it away and starting over, restoration is looking at it and assessing what is still good, what still has some value that we can bring back. And so when we approach restoration in the roofing space, we look and say, you know, this roof had performed before. Why is it not performing now? What can we do to bring it back to top performance without throwing it away into a landfill?
It's the fastest growing segment in the commercial roofing space, is this fluid applied segment. And there's a lot of confusion, a lot of misinformation around it. And so our goal is to just bring light to that and help educate individuals on options that are out there. The technology is not new. It's been around for quite some time. Just the way it's applied and how it's applied and the preparation that needs to be taken is really key in making sure it's done well.
The approach we take is we look at the functionality of the roof first. How does it have to perform? What is it doing? What kind of durability do they need? What type of lifespan do they need? We look at sustainability next. So how long does that roof system need to last and perform? And then we look at the economics of it and say, of all the solutions that we have, what's the best economic solution? And we do it in that order: functionality, sustainability, economics. One of the things we've found with talking to our clients, it's sort of in the nature of what we do, but restoring the roof versus removing a commercial roof, it really limits the disruption of the business. And we find that that's incredibly important to our clients.
Over this wall is about 30 trucks coming in and out all day. So this facility happens to ship coffee around the world. The idea of taking off a roof like this old built-up roof at a facility like this, it's a great way to stop progress, stop the business. So when we can restore it and keep it working, keep their business running, that's a great thing.
Our main value proposition is working alongside customers with a large portfolio to provide predictability and consistency. And for you, your portfolio may be spread out across the country, and it's important that you don't have to vet qualified contractors or partners in each of those areas, so that you know each and every time you're getting a White Hat system installed, you know what to expect, and you've got somebody that does this and knows how to do it right.
We did work in around 20 states last year, and we perform the same in any area of the country that we go. So we have processes that we follow, we have teams that work with us consistently and know our systems inside and out. So that predictability and consistency is key, and it's something we've really maintained and value quite a bit.
The environmental benefits really start with the existing building that's there now. So if you look at just the pure basic, not taking that roof off and throwing it somewhere, there's a huge environmental benefit just in that and that alone. Secondly, we're able to lower the temperature in the building by putting a white and reflective system on the building, so it saves energy in the building as well.
It's been said from architects for many years that the most green and most sustainable building is the one that's already there, and that's true for roofs too. So if you can restore them versus throw them away, it's a better approach. So for clients that are interested in exploring roof restoration, we have a process we walk them through, from a discovery call just to see if there's alignment, to give us a little more education on what we do. We like to move at their pace. We know that that's important, but we do have a process that we can walk through that takes them from, you know, understanding what we do, us understanding their business and what their ultimate goals are, to exploring their actual roof portfolio, providing proposals, and then taking them through to a project launch.
When it's all said and done on this project, we'll have delivered a 7-figure cost savings to this client. We'll have provided a 20-year fully transferable warranty. We will have kept 131 tons of material out of a landfill, and we'll have brought a roof that had 14 miles of seams down to 0.
If I can give you one stat, is it's 100%. 100% of the customers that try our systems end up doing more. And it typically does start with one.
So if the idea of roof restoration is something that has piqued an interest and you feel like it can help your company, we're always looking for great national partners that we can work with over a long period of time. We're not really out looking for one roof. We're looking for partners we can work with for years.